So it is impossible to scale your Google ad shopping campaigns unless you make these key changes. Number one, we're going to do an audit. So we're going to type in vegan collagen and specifically look for the shopping listings that come up. 85% of all new customer sales comes from shopping. So let's check out the first part, which is going to be the actual product images. So we can see the very first link right here. We have Reform vegan collagen matcha flavor. Now right now we have a very boring packaging. We have no idea what this packaging is. It could be absolutely anything. Is it vegan collagen? Is it not? Doesn't stand out much. The fact that it is position 1 is very interesting, because would it actually get way more clicks if it was in position 3? A lower cost per click. We actually had an image that actually popped. You can tell the ones which aren't optimized because they typically have white backgrounds. As soon as you upload your merchant feed, it takes the product image of your Shopify store. No matter what image it has, in the background, it will remove the background. In Merch Center, it'll be a white background. So what we do is we have a background like this, which is double collagen in 2 days. We can see these guys are clearly trying to optimize their product listing because they have a background that is going to pop off. They have someone holding it, which typically does catch your attention a little bit more. So the only problem is they have a square image rather than a 4x5 image. As you can see, this one takes up way more space. This one takes up way more space as well, but these guys have a square. So 1, it does stand out really well. It pops definitely. If this was 4x5 and it took up the whole screen, the CTR would be the highest out of any on here, because at the end of the day, these are just like really boring. Do it inside of Merchant Center itself. So you want to upload a new picture into Merchant Center, override your existing product images, and straight away you will feel a CTR bump straight away, rather than having to increase your CPC to get more ad rank, to get more. The next part is going to be promotions. So we look at this one, it's 10% off. So let's go to the site. So it says it was $40, now it's $55.99. We have 1, 2, but 3 free gifts which aren't in as well. And I actually cannot see the price the product was listed at on the original listing. So $35.99. If I go on the website, you actually cannot buy it for $35.99. You're missing all these free gifts, which can be separate promotion tabs. What's $69.99 to $39.99? That is not on it as well. The reviews here, so 118,000 reviews. However, on the listing, we have 5 reviews. So we definitely need some kind of GTIN linking up here. The next one is going into product titles. So we have some branded and top of funnel titles right here. So we have Nothing Fishy Vegan Collagen Powder. Now, unless there's going to be a brand search, someone typing for the brand, let's say the brand is called Nothing Fishy. If it's going to be a top of funnel search like vegan collagen, then you want top of funnel listings only to go out. So we can see a good example of this is double collagen in 2 days, Feel Pro Vegan. Okay, nice. UK's best collagen powder, hydrolyzed. Nothing Fishy Vegan Collagen Powder. It's like, don't have the brand, don't have the product specific stuff. Literally just have these top of funnel keywords, have an angle, have a persona, and then go after that. Make these changes to your Google Shopping campaigns and you'll see a big uplift in clicks, rather than having to, lower your ROAS by increasing the cost per click and ultimately the conversion rate stays the same, your ROAS goes down, it makes it more difficult to scale. The first thing we need to do is to make these changes to the promotions, to the product images, and to the product titles, and you'll see a big uplift.